Well, as you can see, there is no Kombi in my work area. That's because the Kombi has gone to the mechanics today and is going to get some mechanical TLC, which I can't do. So I've kept my sliding door because I had to have something still to work on while the Kombi's not here. So I'm going to try and fix up the sliding door. First step is to remove the window. So apparently what you do is you get a knife and you just slice along the inside rubber seal like this. You might have to go through a few times. Go all the way around and you remove the rubber and then pull out the window. It's as simple as that, apparently. Let's see if that actually works. Then you just, once the rubber's out, you should be able to just work the glass out. And here it comes. So I'm just pushing it from the inside. Now, of course, I'll have to get some replacement seals. Can't really use these. But this is coming out. Here it comes. Just want to be a little bit careful here so I don't break the glass. So I want to try not to let this fall off, obviously. There it is. The window has come out. Here it is. So we'll just take these seals off. And job's a good one. Now I might just put some tape on here, I think, and just mark up what was outside, what was the top, so we know how to put it back together again later. Very exciting. Well, there it is. Just take the seal off. Let's just throw away now. Here's the glass. So I'll go and stack this carefully in the shed. I suspect it's much easier to get out than it is to put in. We'll find out later.